what your plans are, exactly what you're getting done right now. How much does it cost? Started in the morning over in Douglasville, Georgia. So I'm tired, man. Just ready to get it over with. Ready to get home for the probably for like a week or two. Get home and do what I gotta do, man. So I'm gonna go grab this shower. I'll catch y'all on the road. Peace. All right, y'all. What's up? What's up? So it is Wednesday, I believe. We're about to do a shuttle over here in Villa Rica, Georgia, I believe, right outside of Atlanta. So we're over here at the Ingles parking lot. I'm about to go Uber over to the shuttle truck and bring it back, and then I'll show you guys. So we got to unload from like right here to right there. I'll get all that done. I gotta get the truck clean and whatnot. And I'll keep you guys updated when we start this shuttle, man. Peace. So we're here in Georgia. We're grabbing the U-Haul now. I just gotta walk around, check it out. And everything, verify everything, and we're gonna get out of here, man. So I'll see y'all back at the truck. Just wanted to show y'all we're grabbing the U-Haul now. So we back at the truck now. we can get this thing rolling. We're gonna come out of that door right there. Look at this guy. Look at this guy, man. I'll show y'all a little bit of the process, man. I'll catch y'all. All right, y'all, so this is where we're at. It's a little different, so everything goes on the first floor. So I gotta take and I gotta back through there real quick, but we're gonna get this over with, man. And I will catch y'all on the road. All right, y'all. It's sometime later in the day, later in the afternoon. We delivered. We got everything done. Filled the U-Haul up, took it back. So now all I gotta do, go fill out this paperwork and get an Uber back to the truck and go on and get out of here. About to head to Augusta. And after Augusta, gotta head home and then just gotta deliver in Fort Walton. So we don't have too much going on, man. This has been a really tough trip mentally. It's been a tough trip. I've had a lot going on, but it's all good. Staying positive through the whole process. Everything will be fine. Y'all have a good one. I'll catch y'all on the road, man. Peace. Thursday. We made it here to Augusta last night. We've been shutting for like a couple hours now, but we're good. We're done. We're about to head back to the house. We got to deliver in Fort Walton Beach, Florida tomorrow, about 7 or 8 hours away. So I just wanted to kind of show y'all that we're pretty much done for the day. About to go around here. We got to offload everything, all the trash and boxes onto the trailer and whatnot. So then we got to unload that one way back there tomorrow. Yeah. That's it, man. I'll see y'all on the road. On the way, man. All right, y'all, so we're cleaned up and everything. We're done for the day over here in Fort Walton. We're just gonna ride back to the house. And yeah, man, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I may get a little bit more on camera. I'll see of me heading to the house, but I'll catch y'all, man. All right, y'all, so we made it back. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And the next trip, we gotta head out to either Oklahoma or Texas. Yeah, man, y'all have a good one. I appreciate y'all. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.